later on, after a few months, sinabi na pwede pa ako sumali. Since I am not I am a title holder but I don't have a crown. So it's an automatic resignation as soon as I enter.
Pero how would you like to do it differently this time?
Well, the main difference po kasi is ang dami pong nangyari sa buhay ko, which isn't showbiz related, it's very personal, that actually put me through a lot of adversity, put me through a lot of challenges. Kaya mas share ko po yun, yung story ko, and the vulnerability that I had to face throughout the years. And yun, sana po mas makarelate mga tao sa akin, and mas maka-improve din ako sa mga pagkukulang ko last year.
When is the coronation?
Alam ko pa April 29.
Ah.
These days, parang di po talaga important sa advocacy.
Yes, yes.
So ikaw, how are you parang building that? How are you?
Actually, I love that the Miss Universe organization made that shift. I really feel it's a step towards the right direction. Kasi the reason why I chose my first pageant, which was Miss World, was for their strong advocacy platform. So I've been advocating and championing for autism awareness ever since. I have 2 autistic siblings. I also advocate for mental illnesses and disabilities, as well as equal rights for LGBTQ. But it's so important for me that I'm able to create a platform to do good, because what's the use of having a huge platform like Miss Universe if we can't share that positivity or set a good example? Kaya I'm really happy about it.
Added pinagdaanan mo, kasi syempre sa Philippines ka nanalo. Pero ano yung naging deciding factor mo na gusto mo rin sumali na di pa tapos ang laban?
Well, sinarado ko talaga yung di pa tapos sa di pa tapos. Kasi I really wanted to stand for not just myself, but also for other things that you can use di pa tapos like di pa tapos global warming. Some cute thing like that. But yung nag-push mo kasi talaga sa akin, since nasabi ko naman po na last year ko balak sumali as long as kaya ko. And then with my responsibilities and yung ongoing show as well, masasabi ko na kaya. And ilalaban ko pa rin hanggat mawala na ako ng hininga. Because it's something that I know I can achieve, and it's something that I know if it is my destiny, then I won't waste that opportunity.
At added pressure, may added pressure ba sa'yo?
Sorry po.
Next time
Well, we're rooting for you.
And spiritually, of course.
Ano yung mga training na ginawa mo para ready ka dito sa role ulit?
Sa ngayon, pinag-training nila ako na magkaroon na mag-archery, and then yung pangalawa yung pangangabayo nga. So siguro naman nakakita. Maganda, na-excite ako dun sa CGI natin ngayon. So sana tutukan natin ito dahil marami pang pwedeng may offer ng mga linya.
Ano naramdaman mo? Siyempre, nagbabalik ka po sa Chinese. Ano mapapanood dito?
Siyempre, walang yung bagay. Alam naman natin na napakahusay ni Miss Sunshine Dizon, and na-excite kami na makatrabaho siya ulit after ng ilang years na hindi ka, last time namin makatrabaho, Ed Cantalia pa. And isang karangalan na makatrabaho siya.
Panghuli na lang for me, kumusta ang bonding ng mga sisters, sa mga Sangre sisters mo? Ano bonding ninyo?
Actually, hindi kami masyado nagkakaroon ng bonding kasi mas madalas magkasama si Kylie at si Gabby. Pero ako, pag magkakasama kami, wala kaming ginawa kundi magkwentuhan lang. Kumusta kayo dito sa set? Ano yung pwede nating may offer sa isa't isa para mas mapadali natin itong trabaho natin.
Parang hindi niya namin ikaw talaga yung
Pasensya na po. Honestly po, hindi naman po talaga. Hindi ko alam kung mako-consider ko. Ako yung title role, pero mas sa kanila. Mas kay Kylie at kay Gabby yung kwento. Sa kanila po talaga.
So yun nga. So parang kasi pagkabatihan din namin, parang wait lang ate, parang pagkabatihan din namin, parang maganda yung role mo, pero parang konti lang yung, hindi ganun kalaki yung exposure. Ganun nga ba? Or may pasabog to eventually?
May mga pasabog to. May mga pasabog to at yun yung dapat show natin.
Magaling ka na po, Mana.
Later na lang.
Sa picture lang. Kaya pa-picture, isa na. Miss ko na.
Kumusta? Magaling ka na po, Mana.